I want to share with you my experience on what do I use to shoot on my phone. So this is a Ulanzi case made out of metal. It has 17mm mount, so you can mount your lenses in your case. It looks perfectly good. This is my everyday use case. So for now I have the Anamorphic lens and 2x by APEXEL. I bought it for around 20 bucks. I know there is another lens by Ulanzi 2x. The price is much cheaper than moment lenses, but I would recommend to buy those just to, I don't know, if you have money you can buy moment, but if you don't, the best way to start is with Ulanzi brand because it's cheap and the quality is good. Here you can see the case that came out with anamorphic lens. Everything that I'm showing here, I will put down the links where I bought it on Amazon. So this is how it mounts the lens to the case. This is how it looks. And for shooting the video I use Filmic Pro. I'm gonna share the sample and then you will see it right now. And here guys, my 2x lens by APEXEL, and as well I can mount it on my case, Ulanzi case, same 17mm. And now again I'm gonna use my Filmic Pro app. I'm gonna switch off the Moondork Anamorphic adapter, and now it will give you the depth of field. I'm gonna shoot like this. So right now I'm shooting on 2x APEXEL lens in Filmic Pro app, and you can see the quality, the depth of field, how the background blurs. Here are some other footage samples from these lenses.